Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 12. This is Section 1.6, Problem 12. We have to multiply 53 times 35. So to multiply this, start with the rightmost digit in the bottom row of our multiplication. So do 5 times 3 and then 5 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So you put the 5 from the 15 in the right position, and then the 1 from the 15, you carry that to the top of the next column going over to the left. So now we have to do 5 times 5, which is 25, and then you have to add that previous digit that you carried. So 25 plus 1 more. 25 plus 1 more is 26. Now you start a row underneath that, and that'll come from multiplying the 3 times the 53. But when you start the bottom row, you want to move over one spot, one digit to the left. So some people fill in the rightmost position with a 0. You can if you like, or you can just move over to the left by 1. Now I can start multiplying. 3 times 3 is 9. Now in this case there's nothing to carry, so I put the 9 and then I move on to the next multiplication. 3 times 5, which is 15. So I put the 5 from the 15 and then next to that to the left the 1. So there's my 15. Now I will add those two rows together. So in the rightmost column, 5 plus 0 is 5. The next column, 6 plus 9 is 15. So for that 15, I put the 5 from the 15 under the 9. Then the 1 from the 15 I carry to the top of the next column. And then I'm going to add 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 more is 8. And just 8, there's nothing to carry. The very final digit is just a 1. You have nothing plus 1, which is 1. So the final answer is 1,855.